Whatever is happening in your life, whether the holiday season feels overwhelming or things are simply more hectic than usual, this meditation is here to help you reconnect with the peace that always lives within you. Take this time to pause and ground yourself. Settle into a comfortable position. When you're ready, close your eyes gently. Inhale slowly. And exhale even more slowly. Releasing all tension as you let the breath go. With that exhale, anchor yourself in this moment, right here, right now. Return to breathing at a natural pace. Allow every inhale to invite ease into your body, and every exhale to melt away any tension you no longer need. Relax your muscles. There's nothing you need to hold on to right now. Gently shift your awareness to the center of your chest, the space where your heart's energy resides. Imagine the warmth of sunlight radiating from this space. A brilliant white light, vibrant and powerful, yet gentle and soothing. Feel this light glowing from within, like the sun resting peacefully in your heart. Breathe into this space, noticing the quiet strength that lives there. In this moment, affirm your desire and intention to experience peace, no matter what's happening around you. Feel yourself choosing peace, not as a fleeting emotion, but as a steady presence you carry with you. Now imagine writing the words, "I am peace," across your heart. Visualize it clearly, etched softly and beautifully. As you breathe in, feel these words become one with you, as though peace is no longer something you seek. It's simply who you are. Notice how everything unnecessary fades away. What remains is pure peace, simple, complete, and unwavering. This part of you holds no fear, no concern for outcomes. It trusts that peace can stay with you through any moment, no matter what life brings. Gently affirm in your heart, I choose to see peace today. I choose to be peace today. Let these words settle deep within you. I choose to see peace today. I choose to be peace today. Place both hands over your heart and whisper thank you to yourself. Feel gratitude for being here, for choosing a new way of seeing, and for saying yes to peace. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Open your eyes, carrying these peaceful feelings with you. May the peace you've cultivated in this moment stay with you, gently guiding you through whatever lies ahead.